have things to do today, run errands, go to some play dates, and I'm gonna do a quick 10-minute tidy. It's something that I like to do before we leave the house, so when I come home, it's not a big mess. So I'm gonna take you with me and show you how I do my 10-minute tidy. Now, I will be putting on the timer just for the sake of this video. Usually I won't, but I'm gonna put on the timer, and I will be moving really fast. So it's a little bit of a nice workout. Here we go. Okay guys, I am going to start in the playroom. I am not going to speed this video up as I want you to really see how quickly I am cleaning up these main areas.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe.
Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Hello. Even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down. Even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, I just. Even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, I just. Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me saying hello, hello. Even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down. Let you, even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down. Let you, even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, wanna pull you closer in this. Let you, even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, wanna pull you closer in this. Let you, even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head, I just, even if we're hanging by a thread, what you said is spinning in my head,
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall.
If you have a dog, you understand my struggle. I feel like I pick up her toys just as much as I pick up my kids' toys.
But I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
The timer has gone off, so that's it. That's my 10-minute tidy. I like to do these things before I leave. You move fast, and I am out of breath. So I'll show you what I did. I cleaned up the playroom because it's the first thing. I'm going to be redecorating this whole thing right here. I'm going to be pulling all these pictures down and putting them in these coves right here. And I'm going to be putting that Amazing Grace sign up there. I'm going to redecorate this whole thing. But I like to do this because it's right when you walk in, this is what people see. So I did this. I cleaned up my office so my daughter could do her schoolwork in a clean environment. And this, again, this is right when you walk into the house, so it's kind of important. But it looks like boys think that this is where their shin guards go. Hello, I don't think so. Okay. I'll pick up a few things. I usually will find a few things before I finish. So I cleaned up the table. The table's all clean. We had already cleaned up the kitchen a little bit after breakfast. So the dishwasher's running, and then I cleaned up this area, and then I cleaned up the living room. Just a little bit of a tidy, cleaned up all the dog toys, and then my bedroom, I had already made my bed and everything. Like I've said in other videos, I always make my bed first thing, so that was already taken care of, but I did clean up some bottles and trash from the night before off the nightstands, and I still have some laundry here to do, so I'm out of breath. That's my 10-minute tidy. It only takes 10 minutes just to pick up your house just a little bit so it feels better when you walk in. I hope it encourages you to keep a tidy house and motivates you to get things done. Thank you guys so much, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I love you guys so much. Bye.